Attention personnel stationed in Research Site 45. It has come to the attention of the Foundation that a large armed convoy spearheaded by the EAS Insurgency is en route. EAS Insurgency personnel standard equipment includes green and or red apparel and protective chemical masks tinted with green, red, or black visors. Identify personnel before approaching. On-site security staff must first escort non-combative staff to the designated safe zones. Upon completion, security must report to the maintenance tunnels and outer perimeter. The convoy is estimated to arrive in 20 minutes. Security staff must seal armories after use in order to prevent resupplies for the insurgents. The light containment sector will be sealed in 15 minutes until the site director or administrative staff override the lockdown. Mobile Task Force NU-7, designated Hammer Down, is scheduled to arrive in 45 minutes en masse. Security personnel must defend the containment sectors until backup arrives. Estimated waiting time from initial breach to reinforcement is 25 minutes. Double-check your surroundings and proceed with caution. Countless lives are going to be affected by your decisions today. Remember your oath to the Foundation. This message will now repeat. Upon initial breach, administrative staff are to disable this announcement via the entrance sector control room to prevent the spread of information. Secure. Contain. Protect.